Hi Love Notions friends, Tessa here with some exciting Love Notions news that you will want to know about for this weekend. First of all, today is Feature Friday, and that means that we have a pattern that we're spotlighting to show you all of the ins and outs. And that pattern today is Luna Loungewear. So today only, that pattern and its coordinating kids version is $5. Now the other exciting news is that the Luna Loungewear has just been fully updated, so it will also have a little bit more time in the spotlight with an extra $3 off through the weekend after today's $5 Feature Friday sale. So what does it mean that Luna Loungewear has just been fully updated? A full pattern update at Love Notions means that the sizing now runs extra small to 5X. And the pattern now also includes a done-for-you full bust adjustment. A full update also means that the entire pattern is now on our current pattern block. If you've purchased this pattern in the past, you can re-download this new updated version for free and get all the new bells and whistles. Keep in mind that all of the pieces have changed, but the intended fit and style and all the things that you love about Luna are still there. You should also know that the Luna Loungewear set has a coordinating kids version, which has all the same pieces as the adult version, and it also has regular sizing and plus sizing, 8 through 16. We love using the Luna Loungewear collection in my house. My daughters love the nighties. They wear them all the time, and they're the perfect size for a quick and easy scrap buster. What else do I love about Luna Loungewear? I love that this is a full pattern collection. There are so many different separate pieces inside of it to really give you not just like a nightwear set, but it also fills in so many different wardrobe basics like a shelf bra cami and a slip to wear under sheer tops and dresses. It has really become a staple for us. So here's what it includes: a knee-length nighty, a cami, an optional shelf bra, a standalone bralette, PJ shorts, and PJ capris. The PJ pants can be made in knit or woven, and the tops of the nighty are made for knits. As part of Luna Loungewear's Feature Friday, you can read today's blog, which has a huge collection of really different ways to wear Luna, as well as a sewing school post about how to finish seams for wovens. Ambassador Katie Grimm has created this fantastic resource so you can see all the possibilities for Luna. And she has a fabulous slip dress idea in there, matched with the salt whistle, that I think you will love. She also even makes it into a swimwear top. Next, I'm going to show you all of the tester versions of Luna Loungewear, so keep watching to see all the different ways to wear this pattern. We love showing it off on every body type, shape, age, and size. Happy Friday and enjoy your new Luna Loungewear collection.